Hello and welcome to this video on applying index laws to algebraic expressions. In this video I'll be demonstrating how to simplify by cancelling and then how to multiply and divide algebraic expressions using index laws. So if we wanted to simplify a squared b all over ab squared, if we were going to simplify it using cancelling, we would write it out in full. So we write a times b all over a times b times b. We then need to look for the common factors. So that's something that appears in both the top and the bottom. So we have 1a and 1b on the top and the bottom, and we also have a b that appears on the top and the bottom. So we can write this as 1 times a times 1 all over 1 times b, or we can simply cross out our terms that appear in both the top and the bottom. So we're crossing out an a from the top, an a from the bottom, a b from the top and a b from the bottom. Either way, it leaves us with a over b. So simplifying using cancelling is okay as long as our indexes are fairly small. Once we have high indexes, we don't want to be writing out all those letters. So we can use index laws, and the first index law is a to the power of m times by a to the power of n equals a to the power of m plus n. So if we're multiplying two terms that have the same base, we can add their indexes. Here, p3 times p to the power of 7 equals p to the 3 plus 7 equals p to the power of 10. Here, 4s cubed times by 3s squared. We need to separate our like terms, so we start with our numbers. 4 times 3 equals 12. S cubed times s squared equals s 3 plus 2 equals s to the 5. So 4s cubed times by 3s squared gives us 12s to the power of 5. In this example we have 3c squared times by 5c to the power of 4. Again, we separate out the numbers. 3 times 5 is 15. And then we look at the c's. C squared times c to the power of 4 is c to the power of 2 plus 4, which is c to the power of 6. So 3c squared times 5c to the power of 4 is 15c to the power of 6. Our second index law is for dividing. A to the power of m all over a to the n is the same as a to the power of n divided by a to the n. And in this case, we subtract the indexes. So we have a to the power of m minus n. So to simplify, s to the power of 5 over s cubed, we do s to the power of 5 minus 3, which gives us s squared. Here we have 15k to the power of 5, b to the power of 7, all over 5k to the power of 4, b cubed. So again, we separate out like terms. We'll start with the numbers. 15 divided by 5 gives us 3. K to the power of 5 divided by k to the power of 4 gives us k to the 5 minus 4, which is k to the power of 1, which is just k. And b to the power of 7 divided by b cubed is b to the power of 7 minus 3, which is b to the power of 4. So 15k to the power of 5, b to the power of 7, all over 5k to the power of 4, b cubed equals 3k b to the power of 4. Just remember that y equals y to the power of 1. So y times y to the power of 4 equals y to the power of 5, and z cubed divided by z is z squared. I hope you found this video useful. Please make sure you bring your notes and any questions you have for me to the next lesson. Good luck with applying your new mathematical knowledge.